Alright guys, some more shots of the beast after another good Friday and Saturday night out here. Mirror's just totally covered in mud. Sweet. Who needs to see out here? Windows filthy. Tires filthy. And oh, look! No back window. Thanks a lot, Zeph. Frickin' tree hugger blew out my back window. It's all in good fun though. Bastard. Other than that, fucking, she's awesome. She's only running on 5 cylinders right now. I found out that it needs a new number 6 injector. So we'll get that done for next week. And then we got little Smurfetta's truck. Look at this little thing. So cute. Pink headlights. The pink bow tie. Some of Adam's artwork. Nice. Little accessories she put in here. Jeez, only a girl would do this, eh? And even a little cushion for her bum. Wow. Didn't turn out to be too bad of a day today. The rain finally stopped. The track is dried up pretty good. Yeah, and we got everyone just kind of over here. Awesome. Oh. Sweet.
Yeah, it brightens things up a little bit. I don't like it. I don't like riding with them because it makes everything look a little surreal.
I look like I'm in It's really bright out.
Yeah.
Yeah, then when you go like this, it's like dark. Bright.
Nice. Cool. We'll get back to you guys in a bit. I got it. We're going. Alright guys. I'm a little heavy top loaded here. We need to clean off some of this mud, so this is the Redneck Car wash. My shovel.
This is like one of those dry washes you get in the hospital when you don't have to get in the tub.
Yeah.
Redneck Car wash. Saving on the environment, we're not wasting any water.
Yeah, no water needed for this kind of stuff. There's got to be at least 50 pounds of mud up here.
You should have shaded it.
Yeah, you don't want to be top heavy. You gotta tip over, right?
Don't let people steal DavidsFarm when they drive home. I'm sure they get You can't steal DavidsFarm when you come out here. No
should have put some grass seed out there. You could mow it everything.
I noticed that.
Mushrooms up
DavidsFarm on its roof.
Look at that.
All you got to do is plant your crop up there.
Holy Christ.
Let it go, mate.
Oh, that.
Nothing that won't buff out.
Yeah, she'll buff out.
That little Chevy needs some dirt on it. It's not dirty enough.
Yeah.
The seat's not dirty enough too.
No, I see that. It needs some.
Need some on the seat.
See that bench Wait, you see that bench guy on the TV? That sham wow guy. I don't think.
Yeah. Yeah, see if the sham wow guy can clean this. Oh.
Well, at least my farm's now worth as much as it was a few hours ago.
Yep.
Put it all back.
I should have done this in all your holes I dug up.
You're the one that wrecked the forest. That's it. Now I just
He's the president of the DavidsFarm 4x Club.
Yep.
The buck stops there, you know?
yeah, the run stop's there.
Here's a big styling. Sweet.